Well, good day. This is Scott with woodlandarmory.com, and today I'm going to do a video about all the different kinds of AR15 magazines there are. Today I'm going to run through the features of 4 different brands. We're going to go through Magpul, Lancer, OK Industries, and Amen 2, and then I'm going to weigh them and talk about their individual features. So thanks for joining us. Please subscribe and visit us at Woodland Camo, where we only feature gear that's proven quality gear for all your shooting and hunting needs. Now let's get started. Well, there's so many different kinds of AR15 mags out on the market. I thought I would just make this short video to run through some of them to explain to you the differences in weight, the differences in construction, and how they might affect performance. So we're going to start with this Brownells aluminum magazine. It's labeled Brownells. It's a lightweight aluminum magazine, has a Magpul no-tilt 4-way follower. And this one weighs, looks like, let me try that again here. There's so many different kinds of AR15 magazines on the market. I thought it might be nice just to do a quick video to explain the difference in features of the different magazines that are on the market. And we'll start with this one. This one's a Brownells aluminum magazine, and it has a Magpul follower in it. And this one weighs 4.1 ounces. So it has the green Magpul no-tilt follower. It's just labeled Brownells, Grinnell, Iowa, USA. Just an aluminum magazine. These tend to be lighter than the polymer magazines, and many people like them because of the weight savings. Next up, we're going to go with a OK Industries magazine. This one's OK Industries. They are no longer making magazines. New Britain, Connecticut, USA. And let's put that on the scale. Well, again, we got 4 ounces here. This also has the Magpul no-tilt green follower in it. Now we have an OK Industries SureFeed G2 magazines. This one has a little texturing on the body. Some people like that. All of these aluminum magazines have a coating on them for lubrication. And this one has a different follower. This one has one of the OK Industries blue followers on it. So let's see how much this one weighs here. And this one is also a no-tilt design. And we got 4.1 ounces, between 4.1 and 4.2 on that OK Industries G2 SureFeed G2 magazine with the textured body. Next, we're going to go up to a Lancer magazine. Now this one is kind of unique because it has a polymer body, but yet it has steel feed lips, and it has a proprietary follower, but it also is a no-tilt design follower. But again, the thing that makes the Lancers unique is their polymer body and the steel feed lips. So let's see how much this one weighs. And we got 4.3 ounces on the Lancer. These are available in many different colors. Some are translucent, some are clear. This one just happens to be an FDE version with the black steel feed lips. Next up, we're going to go with the most popular magazine, I would say, of all time. It's a Magpul P-Mag, and this one is a Generation 2 with a window in it. This has a window so you can see your rounds in there. And this one also has a no-tilt follower in it, one of their designs. But this is the Generation 2 Magpul P-Mag. Let's see how much this one weighs. And we got 4.7 ounces. So a little bit heavier than the aluminum, probably for sure half an ounce, maybe 0.6 of an ounce heavier than the aluminum. But again, most popular, I would say, ever. Now we're going to go up to the Magpul Gen 3 P-Mag. This one has a feature on it right here. It's called an anti-over insertion tab, and that'll prevent you from inserting the magazine in your rifle too far. So all the Generation 3 magazines have this tab on them that prevents over insertion of the magazine in your rifle. And this one also has a window in it, also has their follower in it. Let's see how much this one weighs. And again, this is the Magpul PMag Generation 3. And we got 4.8 ounces on that one. Okay, now we're going to a Generation 3 PMag without a window in it. It still has the same anti-over-insertion tab on the back of it. Let's see how much this one weighs. And we got 5 ounces. Let me try that again. Yep, we got 5 ounces. So that's about an ounce heavier than the aluminum mags. And that may or may not be something you need to be concerned about. Next up, we have kind of a newer magazine to the market. This one was called Amend 2. This one is their Mod 2 magazine, the Amend 2. These have kind of mixed reviews. I haven't personally had any trouble with them, but let's see how much this one weighs. And we're at 4.7 ounces. And again, this is the Amend 2 Mod 2 30-round magazine, made in the USA. And again, weight-wise, we're at 4.7 ounces. They recently came out with a new Amend 2 magazine. This one is called the Mod 3. They've improved the material that the body's made out of to make it a little more temperature resistant. They have a very similar follower in it, which has a kind of a unique feed angle, maybe a little higher than the Magpul. But again, this is their newer magazine, the Amend 2 Mod 3. Okay, the body's a little different material, and it has a little different design to it. So let's see how much this one weighs. And that's 5.1 ounces. So that one probably has more to do with the different material of the body to get that slightly heavier weight. Okay, and then we're going to do a couple 20-round magazines just for comparison. So this is a 20-rounder from OK Industries. Again, it has the, this one is not a no-tilt follower, but it's just a basic follower. Let's see how much this one is. So the 20-rounders come in at about 2.8. And then let me do the Magpul. Here, this one is a Magpul Gen 3 20-round magazine. It also has the over-insertion molding on here to prevent you from inserting that magazine too far in your rifle. And that one is up to 4.2 ounces. So if you compare the aluminum 20-rounder, you're probably, an ounce, 1.3 ounce difference in weight. And again, that may not make a difference, but all of these magazines I'm showing you today are proven designs. They tend to work well in a variety of rifles, and I just wanted to do a quick rundown for you.